Do you ever feel like there is something bigger you are meant to do, but you just can't figure out what it is or how to start? You are not alone, especially if you are in your 40s. Let's talk about it. Three common problems people face. Number one, feeling stuck in a career that pays the bills but doesn't fulfill your soul. Number two, struggling with the nagging thought, is this all there is to life? Number three, battling self doubt and wondering if it is too late to make a meaningful change. Three ways to overcome this. Number one, start by reflecting on your core values. What truly matters to you? Number two, identify your unique strengths and how they can contribute to others. Number three, take small, intentional steps toward exploring your passions without quitting your job or overhauling your life overnight. Your 40s can be a powerful time to rediscover your purpose and create a life of meaning. It's not too late, it's just the right time to start. Let's make the first step together. Thank you.